my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I was cleaning up my station after my live today, and I don't want to put these paints in the bottles, the paints I used in the cups. So I was outside watching Mina doing a Jeremy Massey technique. I'll get it out yet, Jeremy. How about I just call you Show Pony? Anyway, this is his paint grenade technique. This is a 5-ounce cup. I'm going to be pouring on this, but I'm not putting that in there yet because I want to have room for you guys to see what I'm doing. This is Indigo Blue by Amsterdam. This is Sterling Silver by Deco Art Americana Decor. And this is Graphite by Amsterdam with a little bit of Folk Art Treasure Gold Line Antique Copper. And this is Amsterdam Bluish Gray with a little bit of Blue Flash in it. And I'm going to use some of my White Pearl mix, which has Amsterdam Titanium White and Vallejo Pearl in it. Now, I'm going to get cells. I can tell you that right now, because this is my Fiona flower pouring medium, the one with Emulsa Bond in it. So I'm just going to do a flip cup onto my canvas. So I'm going to put a little bit of white in here first. Okay. And then I think I'm going to put the darker blue in there first. I need about 3.5 ounces for that 10 by 10 canvas. So I'm going to do, I got static electricity in here too, it looks like. So I'm going to do about almost 4 ounces in here, which I'm not sure exactly where 4 ounces is at. This is a 5-ounce cup. Okay, so I'm just layering my colors in here. There we go. That's not sliding all over the, or getting stuck to the side of the cup with its little stringies. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit more white in there. I'm just doing a regular flip cup, but I don't want to do a dirty one. So I'm very carefully layering them in there. Now I'm going to change up the order just a little bit and put some of this blue in there. Okay. I'm still going to have some left over, it looks like, but I'll figure out something to do with it. Now I'm going to put some of this indigo on top of that grayish blue. Okay. I think I'm going to use, let me put some of this silver in. I am going to pour a puddle on the canvas. Okay, I'm not sure exactly where I'm at, so I'm going to put a little bit of the copper in there. And I think I'm going to do I think I'm going to do the silver as a puddle, so I'm not using it as a flow extender. I'm just putting a puddle in the middle. I'll probably use one of the other colors as the flow extender, so I can add some white to it. Okay, that's just about all the silver. Let me spread it around just a little bit, because I'm curious as to what kind of cells I'm going to get in a flip cup using the USA pouring medium that Fiona and I came up with. Well, I tested it and then Fiona tried it out and she liked it, but she's kind of stuck on her pouring medium. Okay, so let's see how graceful I can do this. Not that bad. Okay, I think I'm going to do some of this blue as the flow extender. So let me turn around and get my water while that's going down a little bit. And I'm just putting a little bit of water in there to get it to be a little bit thin. Yep, that's thin for a flow extender. Let me move these cups out of the way and move this bottle out of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to take my pin out, which releases the paint. And you can see I got a whole bunch of cells right there. And I'm just letting the paint come out as I turn it. And there we go. I'm not going to put anything on the corners because I got flow extender. I'm loving what it's doing right there. I love this color combination. This is a color combination that Mina Villegas came up with. She used it in one of her videos called Jelly Roll Clouds. Okay, now let me get a spatula to smooth that out. Well, any spatula will do for that. Just want to get it up to the corners so it will help my paint extend. I'm not going to spin it even though it's on a spinner. I'm just spinning it around slightly so I can get my flow extender over the edge. Okay, I think that's good enough. Clean my spatula off. Okay, now, I'm not going to torch yet. I'll torch after because I don't want to get a bunch of cells, although it looks like that's what I'm getting already. So, I'll bring the weight of the paint over here first. Go off the edge just a little bit. Okay, now bring it back. Okay, now let me get some of it down here. I am loving what this is doing. Let me get a little bit of paint on the corner. Okay, and come down and cover this corner. It was time to change the paper on my turntable, so I thought, well, one more little mess isn't going to matter. Because I got to change my puppy pee pads in here too, because they're starting to get a little covered. Okay, now let's see if I can get this over here. Okay, now let me set it down. I can see a corner peeking out there. Just checking my corners real quick. Well, let me wipe my gloves off so I don't drip. Well, shoot. Might as well take them off because I gotta pick up my torch anyway. I'm loving what this is right here. I absolutely love that. I kind of love this too, you know. Although, I'm going to say something. I got to do something with this. As Fiona would say, I got man parts. So let me break this up so it doesn't look like that. This one looks like one too. Oh my God. Oh my God. What am I doing with my pores? Okay. And this one kind of looks like one too. Oh, I don't want man parts. I want to get rid of the man parts. I think that's so cute when she says that. But, hey, to tell you the truth, it looks like man parts. Okay? Let me get some of that darker blue in there. Okay, I need to take, oops, hold still. I need to take this all the way off, or at least continue it away. Okay, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. I think I got rid of all the man parts. I love the cells in there. I absolutely love those cells. I don't see anything I really want to change. So let's see how many more cells come up as I do this. That's not silicone, it's the Emulsa Bond that's causing that. Because my paints are mixed with 80%, the pouring medium is 80% Emulsa Bond, 20%, 80% Floetrol, excuse me, 20% Emulsa Bond, and then I mix that with my paints, 2 parts pouring medium, 1 part paint. Okay, I'm looking at it. Oh, I think she's pretty. Well, he's pretty. Okay. I can't wipe it off at the moment because I don't have a place to set it down elsewhere, so it's got to stay here for a few minutes. So I will bring this up, this whole thing up. Come on, unstick, unstick. Come on. Okay, it's going to bring the whole kit and caboodle with it because nothing's willing to unstick under there. So, there we go. Now it's unstuck. So, tell me down in the comments, do you think the Emulsa Bond with the Floetrol is good for flip cups? Because I am digging this. I am absolutely digging this. I love this little road right here. And now that my man parts have disappeared, I like those parts too. I like this in the corner right here. So tell me down in the comments, how did I do with, with Emulsa Bond in a flip cup? Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you, let me see, which orientation do I like better? It's hard to figure out. Well, no, I don't like that either. I'm trying to figure out which, that looks okay. That looks okay. So, tell me down in the comments what you think. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So my subscribe button is going to be up here. Click on that if you're not subscribed. Check out this video over here, and check out this video down here. And y'all, I love it. Tell me if you love it, and all I can say is bye for now.